So in this video I'm going to show how to retrieve an already printed file to reprint. So at the bottom you'll see that we have our list here. Now these jobs are either jobs that have been cancelled or just dropped down the bottom manually, or they've gone down there after they've printed. Now a lot of times it will tell you in the status what's happened. So these are just buffered. They might have print, they might have failed there as well. So if I click on this top job, I'm going to click, drag and move that into the top list. Then it says, do you wish to reprocess banner automation before printing? I'm going to say no. That means it's not going to rewrite this job as it comes in. So as you can see, it's literally ready to go. So we can now print this job, and after it's printed, it will then drop down into the bottom list again. So that's how we reprocess a job that has already been printed in the Onyx 25 RIP.